Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to remove a distortion from a photo that you took with your DSLR camera. So let's say you want to create a texture for a CG or something else. You want the photo to be flat as possible. Flat, I mean no color distortion and no lens distortion. And let's see how we can fix it before we try to title it and do other manipulation to the image. So first, let's drag and drop photo to Photoshop. It's very important to drag and drop the RAW file and not the JPEG file. Okay, now when I drag and drop the image to Photoshop, it automatically recognizes it's a RAW file and it's open it with Camera Raw. Camera Raw, it's a very cool application from Adobe. It's very easy to manipulate color and exposure and stuff in just a few sliders. And it's very easy to use. I highly recommend that you check it out. And let's see how we remove the distortion. So we need to go over here to lens correction, and then over here I want to enable profile corrections. And as you can see, immediately the photo became a lot more straight and a lot more bright. Why it became more bright? As you can see, when I turn off the corrections, you can see the photo is a lot darker on the edges. This is the vignetting effect that caused from the lens itself, and we don't want it, especially when you use it for CG. You want the light and the color to be flat as possible. So let's turn the correction on. As you can see, Camera Raw automatically recognizes the lens model. As you can see over here, it's made by Canon, and where Camera Raw taking all this information, it's from the metadata of the image. Metadata is all the information about the image that the camera puts into the file itself. Let's see, for example, for just a second. Let's press right click on the image, properties, and as you can see, when I go for details, I can see when the image was taken, the dimensions, the file size, what camera maker. Of course it's Canon. I'm using Canon 5D Mark III. I can also see this over here. I can see the ISO, the f-stop, the focal length, and a lot more information about it. So this is very cool. So let's go back to Camera Raw. I also highly recommend use remove chromatic aberration. You don't want any chromatic aberration on your image. So I recommend this also. And that's it. Of course, you can go for manual and do manual things to take care of the distortion. I don't like it. I just prefer to keep it as it is, all the default values. And that's it. Now I can open the image, and now I can start do all kind of manipulation to tile it, to rotate the image, and to do other stuff. So please thumbs up if you like the video, please subscribe, and please comment below if you have any questions, and see you next time. Bye bye.